Hello, welcome to Insert Website Name. Today we are discussing the proposed budget by US President Joe Biden, and how it aims to raise taxes on wealthy Americans in order to cover expenses for Medicare and Social Security. The budget presented by President Biden includes a proposal to raise the top marginal income tax rate from 37% to 39.6% for single filers making more than $400,000 and married couples with income exceeding $450,000 a year. It also suggests taxing capital gains at the same rate as regular income for those making more than $1 million and closing the so-called carried interest loophole. In addition, the plan calls for a 25% minimum tax on Americans with wealth exceeding $100 million. This minimum tax would be sure to make sure that no billionaire pays a lower tax rate than any teacher or firefighter. The current tax rate of 37% kicks in at $578,126 for single filers and $693,751 for married couples, and is subject to yearly inflation adjustments from the IRS. However, without any additional changes, many of the provisions of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act are set to expire in 2026, at which point the top marginal income tax rate will jump back up to 39.6%. President Biden has mentioned that he plans to work with Congress to address the 2025 expirations. The proposed reforms by President Biden aim to reward hard-working citizens while still bringing in the necessary funds to strengthen programs such as Medicare and Social Security. While the proposed budget increases may not be enough to pass through the Republican-controlled House of Representatives, it does show the president's priorities and will give lawmakers in the future something to work with. We hope that you have a better understanding of President Biden's proposed budget increases and the associated reforms. Be sure to keep an eye out for any changes in the future so that you are up to date on what your taxes may look like in the years to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.